Welcome back again to my channel, Hazel's Diary. Thank you so much guys for all your unending support. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And in this video guys, as you can see from my previous video, we did unboxing of Bosch Power Wash Easy Aquatac 120. And this time, I will show you how it works. And if you see the balcony, it's really dirty because we were not cleaning for some times. And now, let's start! So we have the Bosch Easy Aquatac 120, and then of course the connector of the hose for the water. So let's connect, and then we have here the gun and then the spray. So you just need to insert. Then you push inside and then you twist and then it's locked. And then here you must connect this one, the power spray, the hose, and then to the machine. It's on the back. It's here. Make sure guys that it's locked, so you can always hear the click. Then we have here the power cord, of course. So we should release the hose to make it long. Then let's bring this on the side. Make sure guys that it's off before you plug. And then when it's you're ready to start the work, you just twist and then you can get the power. So now let's plug. Okay guys, so the stain is not really going, you see, because it's a algae. You see, it's not going. Otherwise, look, it's all white. spray also on the soil. Look, my fans, my husband and my son are watching me, guys. Look there. Say hi. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
We are
Say
the
hi.
fans.
Hi. Hi to them. Hi. Wow. Jiggy, jiggy, jiggy. Mommy is cleaning. Done. Now the other one. But we must be very careful, guys, because you see that the paints are going. So, and now are spoiled actually, because of course this one was under the rain and the sun, so the paints are getting cooked and it's easy to remove. So, if you are how to say, if you don't want to remove the paints, better not to use the power wash. But now that we started, and now let's clean it again. Let's fold more. Okay, now this one is not very dirty, so I think we can just spray from far, because the nearer you are, the powerful it is. So if you want to clean just the soil and that, you can go far. And this time guys, we spoiled the plants. You see, we scattered the leaves. Can you imagine how powerful this bush? So you must be very careful. You know, if there is somebody around you, you must be careful not to hit the skin, because I think it could how to say, cut the skin. So it's safety is always the best, especially when there is the animals around. You know, the pets, the dogs, the cats, the babies. You should not use this one. So now let's continue cleaning, because now I made a mess. All the scattered, you know, the pieces, leaves are everywhere. So now let's clean, and then we can continue the other part of the balcony, because now it's we are only 1/3 of the balcony. So let's clean again. Alright guys, it's almost done. You see, now we are we're going to put back the sofa. As you can see, from how to say, black and brown, now you can see the color of the tiles. Finally, after months or maybe years, we got a clean balcony because of the pressure washer. So, because before guys, we never clean because it's so big, you know, hard to brush, you know it. So now we will enjoy the balcony again, and now we will put back the sofa, and then we can have the afternoon tea or afternoon coffee, and even breakfast, sometimes even lunch. So now let's finish the arrangement. Alright guys, so it's done, and how do you find it? I'm sure you find it very, very, very clean because of the power wash. And of course it's tiring because you must hold the spray that is powerful, and of course much less than what you are doing with a manual brush. And for this one guys, we bought it first for personal use, and price wise quite expensive. Actually the regular price was 9,500 in pesos, but there was a sale, so we bought it for 6,500, which was a very good deal. And what can I say, out of 10 I would give 10, because of course free from from manual brushing. And I hope guys that you enjoyed, and don't forget to give a like, of course. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more updates. I usually upload every week for some recipes, some tips, and also some unboxing, and of course some helpful videos. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye! I got already my little one to enjoy the sofa, you see. Now it's time to relax. Hey, say hi. Hi. Hi, Tita Ren. Say hi. Hi. No, he doesn't like because he wants to sleep now. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye!